Now, more and more companies are moving to voice over IP, and we talked about that in telecommunications, where traditional networks within companies have a voice network and then an IP network. And now we're starting to combine them, where voice will be going over in packets, so you combine the two networks into one. Sounds great. It could be cheaper for a lot of things. It could be easier to maintain, but it's a single point of failure, meaning that you only have one network. So if the network actually goes down, not only do you lose your ability to transfer data, you lose your ability to actually communicate. And during a disaster, a lot of times communication is a higher priority, especially during the disaster recovery procedures, than maybe the data processing. So in environments that have voice over IP, they need to ensure that there's some backup way of communication.